Welcome to the video where I will select books and pictures which I want to color before Christmas. Of course, just like other years, I intend to color quite actively in Christmas book by Crystal Vogel and in books by Morgan O'Brien. I have a couple of Matchstick Mouse about winter time and of course this North Pole. These books I always keep near my working area. They are not difficult to color, so when I want to color something for winter, for Christmas time, I can always grab one of them. So they are my usual books and of course I will continue to color them. But the favorite of this Christmas season will be the book by Hanna Karlzon. If you follow me, you noticed that I don't color her books very frequently. It's a sad thing because when I just started to color, I enjoyed her books, but then gradually I started to gravitate to other artists, other books, but when I looked at this beauty, at Merry Christmas book by Hanna Karlzon, I realized that it's a gemstone. It's a book which is able to create perfect Christmas mood, very festive mood, so I decided that I need it. And in this book we have plenty of lovely pictures. I want to color almost everything. There are more simple or more complicated books, but my favorites are those pictures with Christmas buildings. We have several such pictures, like this one, very lovely. But I know that probably during this December I will be able to do just one because they are detailed. Even if book isn't great in size, still with a lot of details, I think that I need to select one and to concentrate on it. And my favorite number one is this, probably it's Christmas market, because look at all those stalls with variety of Christmas presents, nice yummy food. Everything is so lovely. I love those trees. I love how decorated are those tiny wooden buildings. And of course I love gnomes. So that's my favorite number one. And you know that I love to color wreaths. So this one is on place number 2 because I really love both animals here. And I love to do wreaths. If I have more time, I will be happy to color more and more in this book. It's a pity that such a lovely book, mostly we use such seasonal books only 1 month in a year, so I really want to dedicate majority of my free time to this beauty. Well, next it's Symphony of Cute Animals. Honestly, the most inspiring picture in this book, I already colored this one. So, when I tried to select which I want to do during this December, I decided that maybe it will be this Christmas bubbles, Christmas decorations. Here the biggest challenge is how to add the background. I have a couple of ideas. We will see what I will manage to do, because to imagine background it's one thing, but to do it on the paper it's totally different thing. Another picture which I loved, it's this one. I also finished it. The rest of the Christmas theme pictures, well, this one it's not very inspiring for me. I will do it one day, but well, maybe on the last steps when I am ready to finish the whole book. This one is more interesting. I do love the style of this bubbles. I love those ornaments, so I will try to do it. Of course, I checked all my traditional books which I color frequently. That's Leon Journey. And you know, I was happy to discover that actually in Leon we don't have a lot of Christmas pictures, but instead we have normal winter pictures. It means that I will be able to use them in January, in February, when you need to color something for winter time, because I'm a seasonal colorist and I like to do winter pictures during winter time. But in January and in February, I definitely don't want to color Christmas trees, presents, Santa and other things. So in Leon we have plenty of normal winter pictures, and the one with Christmas theme, sorry guys, I think that it will be this page on the left. Last year I did, well, slightly similar page with interior, with Christmas tree, with Christmas decorations and with two cats in nail conneco. Maybe I will try to do this one, because I do love to color Christmas ornaments. I just need to check that my color palette, which I imagine it will be different from my previous similar pictures, because I definitely don't want to repeat, even if to repeat myself. So if I manage to invent something new, I can do this one. Nail conneco. As I said, the most interesting picture for me I already colored. It's this one. Other pictures are also lovely, but as I can't color everything I have, because of limited time, I need to select something, one picture in a book. And I think that if I have time, I would select this lovely winter village, and I do love that here we have the outdoor activity. Actually, you can color such page even in January and February. And you know, I plan to cheat a little bit. I know that in this book you can use Neocolor crayons, you can use Inktense, and probably watercolors and gouache also. They work quite well on this paper. I already did pages where I used Neocolors and Inktense for the background. And of course it's quicker, rather than doing the whole page with pencils. I definitely not very inspired to do the whole area of snow with just pencils. But if I can use light blue watercolor or light blue water soluble pencils from different brands to help me with the shadows on the snow, then the main characters I can do with pencils and it will be much quicker. So I plan to cheat a little bit and to speed up my coloring. Of course, apart from those pictures with lovely animals, I would love to do some city scenes with Christmas, nicely decorated buildings, Christmas ornaments. And in Urban Anna books I have a couple of lovely pictures. Just let me show you. In Paris we have this lovely red facade decorated with garlands, and in shopfronts I think that so far my favorite winter and Christmas picture would be this one. Very lovely, and I really want to do this colorful bricks. Of course the front also is interesting, but somehow I really want to practice with my Inktense pencils and with my watercolors how to color such bricks. I think that both pictures also maintain very nice Christmas spirit. And then book which is very unlucky. I like it, but I never have either time or enough imagination to do this poor forest girl. But finally, maybe I will do this nice Christmas picture. You know that usually I complain that my biggest block is full color illustration, but you know what, here I even don't mind to copy, because I would say that it's unusual idea to select pink as a background, and yeah, I really like it, so I will try to find something among my stash, maybe paint, maybe pencils, to do similar delicate peach pink background, and then it will be a lot of fun to color the girl and the Christmas tree. Finally, I think that I am ready to color something in Forest Girl. I don't know why this book is so unlucky, why I never have enough time for it. And Klara Markova. You know that in each and every Klara Markova book, she tries to include several Christmas pictures. I have only 2 books, and both of them, they have very lovely Christmas theme pictures with a lot of yummy things, with gingerbread men, with fairies, with Christmas ornaments. So the choice, what I want to do, was difficult. This girl, it attracted my attention since I got the book. She is very lovely. I especially love her head and flowers, and things around her, they also are quite nice. So that's my choice number 1. Of course, there are many other lovely pictures, but I'm not sure. You know, maybe if I do one full color illustration and then something among these small miniature pictures, then I will be totally happy. Also, that's my choice number 2, but we will see. I also have choice number 3, because look at this sugar plum fairy. Well, I'm very happy that there are plenty of Christmas pictures here, because in fairy celebration I actually colored probably maybe 5, maybe 6 Christmas pictures already. So I'm happy that now I have bigger variety of Klara Markova pictures to select from. But of course, choice is very difficult. I know that it's a huge plan, considering how little time I usually have in December, but wish me luck. I hope that at least something of these pictures I will show you in the end of December, colored and finished. I hope that these pictures also will help me to gain nice festive Christmas spirit. Thank you for watching.